Hey, great day to you. So, is Getida worth it? In this video, I'm going to share my honest answer to that question with you as a real user of Getida and as an Amazon seller. Great to meet you, by the way. My name is Vova Even, seller in Amazon since 2016. And in the description and the top comment, I will plug in the best offer for Getida for you. Now, is it worth it? Well, honestly, for me, it is worth it, and I'm really enjoying it. Let me show you exactly why. So, for example, for the last month, for the last 30 days between the 30th of July 2024 to the 30th of August, Getida was able to reimburse about $300 for us, or to be more exact, $299.30 by filing 11 cases for us and having a claim success rate of 100%. Now, what does it mean? Basically, Getida is an Amazon FBA reimbursements tool or software, and they help you get reimbursed from Amazon for lost and damaged goods and generate different discrepancies within the Amazon FBA system. Also, for example, different discrepancies within the fees. Sometimes you have a product that has like $5 of fee and you're selling it, life is good, Lamborghinis and all that. And then suddenly they switch the fee from $5. Amazon to $7. Now, you might not even see that as a seller, especially if you're a bigger seller and you're just, driving your Lambo or whatever car you're driving and you're just bleeding money, essentially. That kind of sucks. So Getida is consistently monitoring your Amazon Seller Central and your Amazon Seller account, and they check those discrepancies for you, and then they reimburse you money. So, for example, from the beginning of the year, I think it's like $2,000, and last year, 2023, for the whole year, I think they reimbursed us $6,000. Now, the thing is that they charge you a percentage of the reimbursed, $2,103.28. So they charge you a percentage of the reimbursed money. So whenever they're able to actually deliver work for you, only then they will charge you 25% usually from the reimbursed amount. Also, you can talk to Getida about that percentage. Usually it's 25, but maybe if you're like a bigger seller, then talk to them. Maybe they can help you with different percentage numbers. Use the link in the description if you may to join Getida through my link. I'm an affiliate as well, but also a user, and I'm showing you like real results here. Now, on the one hand, I could have done that myself. Like I could have checked my account for discrepancies and maybe I could have built a team around that. And I'll tell you honestly, maybe I could have done it if I really were to dive deep into that and build all the SOPs and everything. And maybe, but I don't know that too much. I mean, I do have knowledge in reimbursements, but not to an extent where maybe I know all of it. Honestly, I don't. So that's why I think using a service such as Getida is worth it, even though they charge a percentage of what they are able to recover for you. Again, you otherwise maybe would not have gotten that money. Or in my case, it's like $2,000. That's quite a lot. I'm a world traveler and I also spend quite a lot of time in like India. For example, in India, this can be like easily 3 months of rent of a really nice place, and even more if it's like, yeah, you know what I mean? Or a lot of food for the foodies, or just money back into your business. What if you could buy more garlic presses, right? Or whatever you're selling. Can't believe this is still used as an example, but I think it's Scott Walker, this dude, I think, that initially started with the garlic press. I don't know. Anyway, so I think it's worth it. Now, up to you. Let me know what you think. Maybe in the comments, what's your experience with Getida? And of course, there's the best offer for Getida as well. Also, if you want to learn how to use Getida, there's a video here with myself and Yoni Mazur, CGO at Getida, where we show you how to use Getida from A to Z. This is their previous branding. Now they have changed their branding, but pretty much it's the same. Like the kind of interface is kind of similar and still works in a similar way. Of course, they've upgraded and added a lot of stuff after we've done that video, but for the basics, this video will help you understand how to use it. There's another video that's called Is Getida Legit, where I share my results, but I've kind of shared them in this video for you. So, I mean, yeah, you can watch it as well. Link in the description to see like what I have to say there, but I think it's pretty similar, to be honest. Yeah. So, and also in the description, you'll find this page. That's the free Getida account and $600 off in free reimbursements. That means that for the first $600 that Getida will be able to reimburse for you, you will not pay a percentage for them. So it's like free money for you. Check it out in the description. I would appreciate if you use it. Also here in the how did you hear about us, I would really appreciate if you mention my name, Vova Even. And in this way, I'll be able to get a little commission if you're able to be successful with Getida as well. And I'm an affiliate, but also a user, as I've mentioned. So like, it's kind of doing both. Like I'm using it, but also I'm happy to be an affiliate because I enjoy it. Pretty much it's kind of mostly automatic. Like they do the talking to Amazon for you and they take most of the work from your shoulders, let's say. Of course, the only thing currently you have to do with them sort of is sometimes you have to send them proof of purchase and proof of delivery. Proof of purchase is like proof of purchase from your supplier. Amazon might ask it from you, like if they were to lose your inventory and you want to get money back from that, sometimes they ask you for kind of proof of purchase that you actually have bought this inventory. And proof of delivery, you usually get that from your shipping company. And this is like a proof that you actually have sent those items, that amount, that item, and all that. So you have to send it to Getida sometimes so they can then talk to Amazon and show that stuff. But also what's pretty cool, I think, is like there's a lot of cases you can see here, Sometimes it's $100, $87, 29, 32, 16, and it all adds up. That's what's pretty cool. And since the beginning of the year, about $2,000, and maybe it's going to be more. I don't know. And again, that's quite a lot of money in my opinion. So again, all the useful stuff in the description. $600 off link and free account of Getida. How to use Getida video, and is Getida legit video for you if you want to kind of dive deeper into that. I'll also put the blog post if you're more of a reader in the description for you. There's a blog post how to use Getida and is it Getida legit. And now I'm plugging off to enjoy my day. Good luck to you. All the links are in the description. Let's go. Let's grow our businesses. Let's do some good. Yeah, good luck.